Hey, Ron here from the Fair Plumber. Here we have a job where we are going to be redoing an ejector pump pit. So we have our guy disconnecting everything. He's sucking out all the debris from the pit, and now he's going to take the hammer and basically jackhammer all around the pit to get ready to remove that pit. There he is using a pry bar to get the old pit out. This pit was rusted and was leaking into the surrounding soil. So there he is removing the old pit. They're digging out, and there's the new pit. So getting everything ready for the new pit. He's doing a little bit pre-assembly, and now we go ahead and we put the new pit in, making sure the lid is going to fit correctly along with the piping. Does his final measurements to make sure that everything is going to fit. He put the level in there to make sure that it's going to fit properly. Now he's going to mount the outlet of the pit. So he's going to cut the necessary hole in the pit to accommodate that outlet, and then he's going to be installing that outlet. Ejector pits, some pump pits, basically they're the same, except that ejector pits are usually a little bit larger. Ejector pits have sanitary waste going through there from either a toilet in the basement or it could be the drainage of a furnace. So here he sets the pit in and gets it ready, make sure everything is fitting properly, and after he goes ahead and mounts that outlet, he checks to see if water's coming in there when he flushes the toilet, and puts the level on there, make sure it's level, and do the final fit for the actual lid. Put the concrete down, and now he's going to start assembling the piping. After he assembles the piping, he's going to be installing the laundry tub. There's a new ejector pump which goes inside the pit. Once that's in place, he's going to be ready to go ahead and put in the piping. All right, so there he is doing some other necessary piping. If you need a new ejector pit or ejector pump, give the Fair Plumber a call. We'd be happy to do the job for you. This is Ron from the Fair Plumber. Have a great day. Thank you. FairPlumber.com